Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Welcome. Hey y'all. Today I'm gonna do something a little different. Oh, this is poppin', bitch. Oh, this is poppin'. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. So that means hit the bell button while you're at it, okay? I'm going to be following a YouTube tutorial. We're gonna have a little conversation today, okay? And I'm taking too long for this intro as always, so we're gonna go ahead and start. I'm so excited. Let me just show you. We're gonna do some glitter. I'm gonna go ahead and press play on this video. She's using like an orange. So she used Huda Beauty, but I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Saharan palette. I'm going to use the color Jamila.
Really, bitch? Really?
And I'm just going to take my blending brush and put it all over my eyeball, because that's what she said to do. I feel like I should have just done one eye, but you know, why half-ass it when you should full-ass it?
Onto this deeper orange shade, I'm going to place this right in the crease.
I'm gonna use this Modern Renaissance, and I'm going to use this color down her. And I'm just gonna blend these two together.
Next, I will be taking this dark purple shade and I'm placing this also in the crease.
So I'm gonna use this color from the Magic palette. I don't know, I'm not feeling this brush. I'm gonna go back with a new blending brush. Chop, chop. Shh.
Just going to be placing a black eyeshadow in the outer areas only.
So back in the Saharan palette, there's a black. So now I'm gonna blend this. So let's go ahead and cut our crease. Now let me cut the other one. She said the lightest color. So for my Modern Renaissance, I'm gonna use this color right here. Tempera. Tempera. I'm just gonna use any brush and pack this on. I like this eye better. This one and I are gonna have a top up. Okay, so she's taking the eyeliner and making an outline of the wing. I'm gonna use the same eyeliner as her. The Wet n Wild. Let's try this. She said it's okay if it looks ugly, okay, y'all? So leave me alone. All right, y'all. Do you see this?
For glitter, I'm using this chunky glue glitter that I got from Michael's, and the glue I'm using is my eyelash glue.
So she's gonna use her eyelash glue, so I'm gonna do the same. Because if her eyeballs didn't fall out, mine better not fall out. Same lash glue. Where did she put the glue? On her hand? On her eye?
I am confusion.
Okay, I'm gonna use something different. She's using her brush. I'm gonna use this. It's actually for your nails, you know, to put the diamonds on and stuff. And to zoom y'all all the way in. Okay, so maybe she glued it, put the glue on her eye. I don't know. Let's see. Did it go on? Oh, ignore my frame right here. I'll be back.
7 hours later.
Okay. I'm excited about this. It looks cute. The second eye was much easier. I figured it out. I mastered it that fast. So just got these lashes in my boxy charm. So let's try it. We're gonna go ahead and move on to face because these eyes are done. The other day I picked up this Black Radiance foundation. It was the lightest shade they had in the store. It looked like it will work, so we're gonna try that. How y'all like this hairstyle? Y'all like this hairstyle? It needs a brush. Yeah, it needs a brush. Sorry y'all, my camera died, so yeah. I like the foundation so far. I went ahead and concealed, but I did want to get on here before it dies again and set my under eyes. This shit looks bomb, wow. So I finally picked up 200 years later. This is another thing I bought at Target. I got the color light and I got the color light medium, only because I don't know which one's going to fit my face properly, the right color. All right, y'all, I'm done. Like I had said, my camera died. How do you think I did?